Welcome, today in front of me HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the ringtone notifications volume panel, and just to unmute ringtone you should hold for a while and swipe to the right side this white dot. Also, you can make it by the second way. Just first be sure that in volume button control we have selected ringtone to use volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, and now by press to the up volume panel we can also unmute our device ringtone, and we can make it by the third way. Press up or down volume button, and after that slide to the up with your finger manually this white dot. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.